of you are on a quest for dog food of some kind, and hilarity shall ensue. A quest for dog food. Take it away.
Help, Master! I can't even find the pet aisle.
Listen to me. Let the Force guide you. It's like I told you. Snoochies needs his dog food.
But I want him to have his dog food now! Now! Years from now, I'm impatient. I'm sorry, Master.
You know what Snoochie would be saying to us right now?
What?
It'd be something like... I can almost hear him.
I can too! You describe it so vividly, Master.
Just remember, we need to find the dog food with the freshest tauntaun in it. Snoochie loves his tauntaun.
We've been looking for a while. Perhaps we should have these nice crispy snacks to keep our strength up.
Ooh, yum. These make a...
And some blue milk to wash it down.
Thank you. Oh, it's that burning aftertaste. That does it for me.
It's terrible.
Oh, look! I see some squeak toys over here. It might be nearby. Could you grab one?
They might have attracted the dog's attention, Master.
Oh, let's grab one.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm losing my balance. I'm falling.
Oh,
no! Squeaky!
Use your lightsaber to cut you free.
Okay. I'm popping all the squeak toys.
It's fine. Security's coming. Run with me.
Stop.
He's in charge.
I've got the saber. Oh, look, the dog food.
I just found this. It's not mine.
Can I speak to your manager? No, I want to speak to your manager. This is an outrage.